Hi children, hope you all are fine. And what are the maps that we have discussed you are practicing? And today in this video we are going to discuss about the last map, that is population distribution. Population distribution basically asked in two ways, that is the areas which are densely populated and the areas which are sparsely populated. Is it clear? And the direction of North India and South India. So these are the states you need to learn, like in UP, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Kerala, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and Rajasthan. Keeping these states in mind, you must be knowing the location of these states, which direction they are located, right? Suppose it is asked eastern side, the densely populated area, then you need to mark this side West Bengal or Bihar. And suppose you are asked to mark northern side, North India, mark one densely populated state, then you need to mark Uttar Pradesh or Bihar. Or if it is asked mark densely populated area in South India, then it is Kerala. So likewise, keeping in mind the direction of the states, you need to answer and level accordingly. Is it clear? So first let us start, that is densely populated area in Uttar Pradesh. So basically when we understand North India or South India, the Tropic of Cancer is dividing this both the sides. Tropic of Cancer above it is North India, Tropic of Cancer below it is South India. So when you are asked densely populated in North India, so this is the area, this is where Gangetic plain is there. So this is area that you need to shade. I need to write Uttar Pradesh and it is densely populated area. All right. So, and if you're asked again to north of North India, that is Bihar. Bihar also is adjacent to Uttar Pradesh. So this is the area where Bihar is located. So you can level and write Bihar densely populated. Don't forget to write this densely populated area. So this in bracket it should be written, it is densely populated or not densely populated. Then we have West Bengal. West Bengal is just close to Bihar again. It is this side. This is the area where West Bengal is located. So here also need to write West Bengal densely populated. Okay. So these are the areas of north of India. That means above you can see the Tropic of Cancer. These are the densely populated states. So when you are asked level the densely populated area in north, so any of these states you can level it, mainly Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, because it is completely above the Tropic of Cancer. And then you are asked densely populated state in South India. So it is here, it is South India, it is this one is Kerala, that is densely populated area. All right. So in South India only one state is there which is densely populated, or there are other states like Andhra Pradesh, but rarely it is asked. All right. So the most appropriate answer is, that is Kerala. You need to shade the entire state and then write and level it. Then sparsely populated area, that means the state which the population is very less. The first one is Sikkim. We are asked the north side, it is Sikkim. North side, North India, it is Sikkim. So here it is the Sikkim, this part area where little bit elevated area is there. This is Sikkim. There you can shade and you can write, that is Sikkim, right? This is the area where it is Sikkim is located. And then next comes Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is entirely border of India, this area. So you need to shade like this, all the entire states must be known, and you can write this is Arunachal Pradesh, AP. Is that clear? But you need to write the sparsely populated state. Okay, this should be written in the bracket. And then again comes Rajasthan. If you are asked the western side of India, mark sparsely populated area. So Rajasthan is the place where Thar desert is there. So this area, because of the deserted area, the people are not habited much. So this area I can write, this is Rajasthan. Alright. So these are the few states that you need to remember for the map work in your board examinations. And remember that everything you do not have to write, keeping in mind the direction of the area. Suppose they are asking north side or south side, east side or west side. Here Goa also can come. If it is asked western side, the Goa also you can mark it, this area. Goa also can be marked as a sparsely populated area in western side, right? So any one of it will be considered, but more appropriate is western Rajasthan. Is it clear? So thank you so much, and I advise that practice more and more. The more you practice, the perfect you become, the more you understand, and next onwards we will be starting the next chapter sequentially, and we will be able to complete the chapters. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.